Okay. So kuna tare ko binu ko kuna ta gulma ko. Ke mana ku doka kuma kan nan sai an kalli gulma.
Hello, my returning subscribers, my newly subscribers. What's up, guys? Welcome back, everyone. This is how my Salah went. Yeah, after did the ram, packing everything and all that, I made pepper soup. So this pepper soup, I put curry spice, I put thyme, then rosemary, then seasoning cubes, salt, Cameroon pepper, and all that. I also put pepper soup spice to scent. Then at the end of the day, I put scent leaf. Don't forget to also put onion. Then you stir it very well. I made sweet pepper soup with the intestine of the ram. Then this is the scent leaf slice here and onion, but scent leaf should be the last thing you put. Then the next day I went to collect our salad cloth. See me going on my way to collect the cloth. So we drove around. This is Abuja, leaving my house to somewhere else to go get our salad cloth. There was traffic, but not much. We didn't really waste time there. So that is how my salad went. I'm sorry, I'm supposed to vlog putting on my outfit. I've not done that, but I promise you people I will still do that for you guys. So we kept on going. We're in the person's estate now, the place I went to get the cloth from. We're in their estate now, directing the rider. Sorry, the driver. I was directing the driver. So to take the next turn, so I go get the cloth.